Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by working with slightly damp, detangled hair so the bangs hold shape. Section a triangular or rectangular fringe area and clip the rest away. This isolates the curtain area for precision. Once done, take 1/2-inch subsections from the center moving outward and point cut ends to avoid blunt lines. Make sure to keep tension even and your scissors vertical for feathered texture. This initial shaping sets the pattern for the rest of the styling. You now refine the shape and texture to achieve the classic curtain fall. Trim conservatively, cut less, reevaluate, because curtain bangs live when slightly longer. Once done, use point cutting and light thinning at mid-lengths to create movement. This prevents a heavy curtain. Make sure to blow dry with a medium round brush, wrapping hair away from the face to form the parted arc. As you dry, rotate the brush and cool the hair to lock in the soft bend and natural separation. You complete the style by setting the curtain shape and adding finishing products for hold and shine. Once dried, apply a pea-size serum or lightweight mousse and use a low-heat iron to gently bend ends outward for that signature curtain sweep. Make sure to mimic the natural part and blend into face framing layers. If things go wrong and the fringe looks flat, lift roots with a quick spritz of dry shampoo or backcomb slightly at the crown. This restores volume without heavy product buildup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.